Okay, so you finished your day and you went home, you did whatever, you came back the next day and you obviously look at your work and you say, nice job. So first thing you want to do when you get here, after you've kind of set things up, done whatever you need to do, take out your tile spacers. So I've done most of them obviously, and just pop these out. Now one thing I love about these particular tile spacers, they're called Easy Pull, and you can see how much of a joke it is to take them out. Other kinds, you're pulling and pulling and eventually they come out, but they can be a pain. So those are really nice. The one downside to those is that they are rubber. So if you have a heavy tile here and you set it down, it'll actually squish it down. So your 16th or 8th or whatever can become less, and then it's actually harder to get out. So just be careful of that. The bigger the tile, you will need a harder plastic, but these are great for this sort of setup. So once you've done that, now you go along with your knife and you find any mortar that's sticking out in your grout lines here. So we're gonna go down. I was looking this morning, I didn't really see much because I always use my sponge to wipe things clean. So right down here, there's just a little bit, and all you do, you just basically cut, like I say, right along the edge of the tile on an angle, so you kind of slope it down, and then cut on the other side, and out will pop that mortar. So it was there. That's basically all there's to it. So if the mortar is sticking out at all, or anywhere close to sticking out, you just kind of basically slice along the tile, and it cuts it right off. So that's your day, and then you want to grab your level and drop it on top to check to make sure everything is hunky-dory. This is perfect. Super happy with that. We're right dead in the middle of the line, so we know we're good, we're level, everything looks good, our lines are lining up.